everybody, and today I'm going to show you my night furnace. It's actually a lava furnace. I'll show you it right now. Okay, here we go. So here we are. So when it's daytime, my furnace is closed. But when it's nighttime, the furnace opens because of the daylight sensor. When the daylight sensor is on, receives the light from the sun, it closes it. But if it doesn't, it opens it. So when I switch it back to morning, it will close it. Very clever, huh? I'll show you how it works. I'll show you the mechanisms. Yep, I have some sticky pistons. That way. It'll take some time to show you the mechanisms. So this is the mechanism. That's the what they like to it's so see it's red. So if it's red, it's activating these pistons. So why is there a cow in here? Oh. So how do you like it? It's really easy. Let me show you how to build the mechanisms. Anyways, the mechanism is really easy to build. It's just you have to do this. Daylight sensor, redstone piston, small redstone piston. That's all. Okay, now it's really easy to cover the mechanism. You just have to leave the solar part. The daylight sensor will not receive any daylight, so just open it. I think it was. Let me just test. It still work? Yeah, it does work. If you cover all of it, it doesn't receive any daylight. But if you do it like that, actually, it won't receive daylight if it's like that. Okay, now that's stuck. There. So let me just do that again. No, if you cover all of it, it'll not work. But if you want to hide the side of it, you can just do it like that. And if you want, you can cover it with the glass block. There. So good. So the glass will reflect the sun. The sunlight will go through the glass. So really, it's really good. So if yeah, it does work. You can do it if you want to hide it, but you can just the daylight sensor can be not hidden. But really, that's how it works. That's all. Really simple to build. A lava night furnace, automatic light furnace. Really cool, isn't it? Now I'll need to, let me see. Let me see. Anyways, so you really like it. Really cool, huh? Really a cool thing, right? At night it goes good at night, but if you stay no, I'm a bit scared I'm so scared while sleeping at the night because I feel the strangers coming. So if you like that in WOLRDCRAFT, come on, with a door. So now I've got these doors. Now we have your. Now, if you want extra light, just put more extra. Just remove those blocks, and you can do that. So you can see more light. You can see the lava. my episode was a bit delayed for something. Anyways, what is your homemade nighttime flatness? Well, I better get climbing back. So, thank you for watching, guys. If you like, be sure to, if you like my contraption, I'll be proud of myself. And I'm already proud of myself. I'll be more proud if I heard you like my invention. But anyways, thank you for guys for watching. And I'll see you again. Bye 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 bye.